Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you Archiver directory listing platform. This is our admin panel. We can see dashboard, total user, active user, email unverified user, mobile unverified user, payment, total payment, pending payment, reject payment, payment charge, then listing, approved listing, then pending listing, disable listing, reject listing. Then scroll down, monthly payment report, last 12 months. Then logging by browser, logging by OS, logging by country, 30 days. Then another function is category. We can create new category and we can also see all category in here. We can edit, disable and future. Then country. You can add country, edit and disable. Then city, same pattern. You can add city, edit, disable and future. Then manage plan. We can manage plan, we can edit plan and disable, we can add new plan. Then manage listing, all listing, pending listing, then approve listing, reject listing, disable listing, manage user, active user, ban user, email unverified user, mobile unverified user, all user, send notification. You can see all user document in here. You can see detail. Then you can notify your users, fill up it and submit, then notify your user. Then payments, pending payment, approved payment, successful payment, reject payment, all payment. We can see payment details and this is summary. Then support ticket, pending ticket, close ticket, answer ticket, all ticket. Then report, logging history, notification history. Then system settings, you can customize your software or website. So many settings function in here. General settings, system configure, payment gateway, manage function, then social link, social logo setting, extension, custom css, etc, etc. The next up facilities, application, server, cache, update, report and request. We can customize your profile. You can change password. If you want this software, check out link in the description below. Thank you.